Alright, back outside.
Outside.
Got my whip. I'm gonna be parked there for its remaining time getting installed. My son, Full Send Jamie, aka Latin Remix, aka I Don't Stop for the Cops. It's my boy Pep right here, Mr. 7K. Give him 7K all day, every day.
Yo.
We're doing this live, doing a little vlog of the install and shit. He's changing his shocks, so I need to one of the bushings in my hanger is like missing. Can you see right there? Can you see it? Yeah. I don't know, it just flew out somewhere, and I'm gonna move one because I have a single exit, so I just took one from the side that there's nothing here, and I'm gonna switch it over real quick. Bolt didn't want to come off, so we're using secret weapon, torch. I'm gonna torch that shit. So this is the shit that we just took off. Like it has like a row of bushing in here, and somehow like it just like disappeared or flew out, obviously, or something happened, but it was gone. And the hanger to the muffler, this one right here, the hanger was just chilling in there like regular, and the muffler was just moving around all crazy. I didn't even know. I gotta have another one welded back there, so it was hanging on. But since this is a single exhaust, I had like the bushing, whatever, this thing on the other side, just for whatever, just hanging out there chilling for no reason. So I took that one from there and put it over here. But the problem we had was the bolt was stupid rusted, and my guy, Full Send Jamie, had to use a torch and torch them a couple times before we could have able to get them off. Yeah, now it's all Gucci. I'm about to start the install. Alright, so we took out the intakes, just took out all the bolts for the intake manifold. I took out the map sensor, which is right here. I'm gonna just right away just throw in the new 4-bar map sensor. And then we're gonna do the spark plugs, and then we're gonna install the injectors, the injector dynamics injectors right there. And then pretty much we're just gonna lift this up. We're gonna keep the throttle bodies on it. Actually, Jamie, can you, since you have big ass hands, can you unplug that? Yeah, there you go. Thank you, sir. Yeah, there's a couple of plugs over here still. There's still a couple over here. Like this one, we gotta unbolt. This one, you see these? Yeah. This one gotta unplug from the back here. This line gotta come off. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. And then we're gonna install that shit, and we're gonna catch up with you guys right then. I'm gonna try to keep vlogging like as much as I can, but forgive me guys if I don't, put everything in. Alright, quick little update. Obviously, as you can see, plenum is off with the throttle bodies. Quick peek. I have the Z1 ported lower. As you can tell, they really do a high quality job. Can't really see my valves from here, but it's pretty clean, I gotta say. I mean, I do have the PCV blocked off, so this should really be no oiled here anyway, regardless, because these go here, the breathers, and these just open, so nothing really circulates. Everything else is unplugged. We're about to do the spark plugs. Then we're gonna move on to the rest of the piping, do the injectors because we're already here. And yeah, and then we're gonna keep on going. Really, we're just gonna do the map sensor. Thank you, man. My guy over there doing all his installs. Alright, fellas, let's do this. Oh, actually, yo, I think you know what this is? I just saw it real quick. Wow, that's funny. My flex fuel kit is here. What the fuck? That's funny. It's supposed to come on Monday, so it should came right on time. Now we got everything. Now we don't even have to wait for anything. literally could just keep going. That's what's up. All right, I'm gonna just open this up real quick, and oh, now you guys know where I live. Damn it! Don't come here though, please. Don't come here. If you do though, I got something for you. No, I'm just kidding. I love it. All you guys. All right, cool. Yeah, I'm gonna open this up and share this with you guys real quick. All right, quick update. Don't mind my messy appearance. Got the spark plugs out. Just doing the quick spark plugs. Then we're gonna continue on to do all the boost pipes. My son Jamie got the NSEs here. And shit, damn. Making sure that shit don't stay in there. Looking nice. Mr. 7K all day is doing his shocks the whole day. All day. 7K all day. Doing shocks all day. While we doing the supercharger install. Hopefully this by Monday, I'm hoping we'll be done. Like Monday will be the last, and then I could drive it around for a few days before it goes on the dyno next Saturday. So I could put some miles on the blower and the whole setup, so just in case there's some kind of faults or some kind of leaks or whatever there is, they can catch it before the dyno. Low-key mad nervous. Mad nervous. Car's running really good right now. Probably the best it's been running. So just me by doing this is kind of like, you know. So hopefully it's gonna be a good outcome. I mean, praying. You going for the win, baby. The reason this is literally this manifold right here and these throttle bodies are the reason why I went with this supercharger kit, because this kit allows me to keep the top manifold and my bigger throttle bodies, because it is ported and these are bigger, while the Soho kit or whatever uses the Stillen manifold, which you have to use the stock throttle bodies and whatever. So yeah, that's the reason why I went with this one. Should be the same, if not better. All right, let's see a little quick update. Be back soon. What's up, guys? All right, quick update. So got the injectors out, as you can see. Injectors missing, no more injectors. Also changed the spark plugs, put them everything back, coils are back, everything's good to go over there. Now we're about to throw them in. These injected dynamic 1300 injectors. Like the pigtails. These are my GTR injectors that were in there before, because I was running E85. These injectors right here are top quality. Really like them. So we're gonna insert these with the connectors, and then we're gonna put them back in. Easy peasy. This guy's still working on this car all day. Okay, Jamie's about to put them in. Yeah, that comes out. Gotta grease up the O-rings so that we don't put them in dry. That way they can. You wanna pour a little in the cap? No, it's supposed to like pop in there.
Yeah.
Oh, you maybe are you putting?
I think it has to come out just a little slightly more.
Maybe it goes over it.
Maybe.
Like over on top of that. Oh, maybe. Yeah, see how that one is.
Yeah, it goes like this.
Maybe you could just, you need to spread it a little, you know.
Yeah.
Alright, quick update, fellas. Putting in the 1300s. switching them out with the GTRs. So these 1300s, they already come with a clip. This clip right here, but you can't just use that clip because it's just not long enough. So you have to use the stock clip too. So the stock clip actually holds it down to the frame rail right here, and then this one holds it. They all hold together, so it's like a double protection kind of thing. So then when you get them, don't be surprised that you got to use both of them. We were kind of confused for a second, but yeah, and then they go on together nicely, those little stubby chubby boys. Alright, another update soon when we finally put them in, and then we'll just throw the fuel rail in, and then we're gonna start on the boost pipes. Alright, 7K all day, finally done. Took the whole day. We are progressing. What did we do last? Oh yeah, we got the bumper off. As you could tell, my 3-inch admins shining bright. My oil cooler down here looking nice. These are about to go. We're about to actually throw on the intercooler and the boost piping. We put the manifold back just so, because we don't need to do anything with it right now. What else? I'm gonna change the ballast for this light because it keeps bugging out and keeps turning on and off. What else did we do? I think that's pretty much it. Sammy right there. She the VIP over there in her purple rug. And we're just doing our thing. You know the vibes. Yeah. So we're gonna do another little update in a little bit. We're gonna take out the intakes, and then we're gonna take this off, and then we're gonna put the intercooler and then the boost pipes, and then we're gonna be done for today pretty much. And yeah, all right, so I'll give you guys a little update in a bit.